Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put dimension in 3D AutoCAD 2025 correctly, step by step. This will work in AutoCAD 2023, 24 and AutoCAD 2025 versions. Let's start. I have this 3D model. I will make it hidden. This is my 3D object and we will do the 3D dimensioning of this object in AutoCAD. For doing dimensioning in AutoCAD 3D, we have to change the UCS, and UCS play a very important role while doing the dimensioning. Before doing the dimension, we have to reset the UCS, type UCS and type W, word, enter. Now your UCS will revert back to the word level. Type D and dimension style manager will open here. Click here on modify, and here you can change the color of the lines here. I will make it cyan and arrow size I will make 4. Click here on text, change the text color to yellow and text height 4, and here you can use ISO standard. Then click on primary units and make it 0 precision. Click OK, set current and close. Let's start the 3D dimensioning. I will show you first one example here. For dimensioning, click on annotate and select here linear dimension. If I will select this point and this point, you can see that the dimension is starting from the bottom because my UCS is on the world this side. Now type here UCS and type F for face and select the surface on which you want to start the dimension. I will click here, enter, click here linear, select this endpoint. Now you can see that the dimension is starting from the top surface which we selected through the UCS. Again select this one, and from this point, same way here, click this point to this point, double click the dimension. We will give the diameter symbol and select diameter, enter. Now we have the dia 20 symbol here. Again click linear from this point to this point is 40. I will delete this line. Now we have to give dimension here, and again we have to change the UCS. I will show you another method. Click on home, click here on view and select face. Select the top face here, accept, click on annotate and click on linear and give the dimension here. You can see that where is your X direction, your text will be on that side. I want to give dimension on that side, so I have to rotate this axis that side. It's very simple. Click on the UCS, simply rotate, and now my axis that side. Click linear dimension here, continue from this point to this point and escape. I want to give the radius here. Again type here UCS, type F. Now select this face, accept, click here on radius, select the arc. You can see that this blue snap setting is coming automatically here, so we have to make it off. How we can make it off? Click here on object snap settings, and here we have to click on 3D object snap and untick here. Okay, click radius again, select. Now you can see that now I have to give dimension this side here. Again type UCS, user coordinate system, and type F for face. Now select this face, accept, click here linear from this point to this point, Again, select linear from this point to this point. So in this way, we can do 3D dimensioning in AutoCAD. Hope you learn how we can do 3D dimensions in AutoCAD. To move the UCS to the word, again type UCS, type W, and your UCS will be moved to the word level. So this is a simple 3D object, how we can change the UCS to do the dimensioning.